Hi everyone, welcome to my house. Today I want to share with you my new vintage shabby chic decoration for this year 2024. Come on, welcome in. I'm inside my house. This is how it looks. I'm gonna give you a brief explanation of each thing. So here I have a bench with a basket that I DIY, and I put flowers from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. This purse is from a thrift shop, and I also put flowers from Walmart, and the blue ones are from a thrift shop. This is a cushion that I DIY here also on my channel. I have a lot of cushions that I did. This is a picture frame from Dollar Tree that I also DIY it using materials from Hobby Lobby, Temu, and Dollar Tree. Okay, then I have these two decor butterflies, and I just put a lace on it. I have this beautiful garland. I did it with papers, vintage paper that I purchased at Temu, and I made the garland with it, and it looks so beautiful. I love it. I got this dolly for only 25 cents at a thrift shop, as well as this picture that you see here. Sorry, I got it like for $2.50, also on a thrift shop. That mirror vase, I DIY it using materials from Dollar Tree, and I just put flowers, pink and yellow, to match the decoration. Here is the other one decor. I have this basket, is also a DIY that I did, and I put flowers on it. The flowers are from Michael's, and the blue ones, like I said before, are from a thrift shop. Then I have this lamp that I DIY. This is leftover in this house, so I buy in a thrift shop the lampshade. I used the same paper that I did the garland, and put flowers from Walmart, laces from Hobby Lobby. These are Christmas ornaments left over that I have here, also from Hobby Lobby. I put some pearls. That lace over there is also from Hobby Lobby. These laces that I put on the corners, this one also are from Temu, and I love how it turns up. This is a vase that I usually have here, and I just add white flowers on it. And in the other corner of the TV, I have this decoration here using a shoe that I also have from a thrift shop. A picture frame I left over in the house, and I just have it in one corner of the house because I don't like it, so I upgrade it. And you have to go and watch that video to see what is the difference that I did here. Then I have cushions. Here is my sofa with a pair of cushions that I DIY. I did them using fabric that I purchased in a thrift store, and I got 2 yards for only $4. And then this cushion that I already have, I just add a ribbon using the same fabric. here I have my coffee table that I have in the middle of my living room, and I love the decoration of it. I DIY this old book that I purchased on a thrift shop. So this also I did it using the paper from Hobby Lobby and materials from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. Then I have this basket here, and I purchased it also on a thrift shop, and I just add those tulips that I already have on the house. I have this ginger jar that I purchased on Ross about 2 years ago, and I pay on sale for it. I think it was $12. And then I add these beautiful flowers. The pink ones are from Temu, and the white ones are from Michaels. And I love how it looks. Then I have this 2 candle stands that I got it in Ross, also on sale. I think I pay like $2 or $2.50 for each one. They are usually $10 or $12, and I just put candles from Dollar Tree. The bird is from Hobby Lobby, and the lace, the dolly that I have in the middle, I can't believe it. I paid 25 cents on a thrift shop for it. Left side of my living room, there I have a bar stool, 2 bar stools in a bar that I have, and I got this lace, the dolly one, also from a thrift shop, as well as the set of plates that I got. This one is 50 cents, and the other one is $1. And I just put the roses, the bouquet of roses that are from Michaels, and 2 candles with the candlesticks that are from Dollar Tree. They are black, and I just add an antique gold on it. Then here I have a cup of a set of 3 cups and a plate with some flowers from the thrift shop, and these are like bird cage that has bee on it, and I use 2 candles also from Dollar Tree. Then I have this circular unit. That lamp is from Temu, and I got this picture frame and this picture frame that I DIY. On this one I just only put the paper on it. This one I put the paper and I decorate it using materials from Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. So it's a picture of my husband and me that I always keep there. That is a vase that I DIY using mirrors. Then I have this circular big mirror here with butterflies. It's a leftover in the house, the mirror. Then I put on top of the bar, I put this rose garland that I got also at Temu, and on the top I put a bowl, and I put a cup that I DIY, a bowl with a candle stand that I DIY also, and I just put some pink roses on it. And here on this one that is also like a candle stand, I just put a ribbon on it. Going down, here I have a book. Dream Windows is a book of decoration, and I just add a tray with some simple decoration on it. Then I DIY this bird cage, and I just put flowers and ribbons from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and the tray is from Ross that I purchased last year. Under it, I have a ottoman, and I just put that lace that is from Temu, the one that is in the top, and in the bottom is a fabric that I got at Walmart, and I use it here for the ribbon. I also use it in the garland. And here is the other cushion that I DIY it. And the blanket on my ottoman. And I just love it. In the curtains, I just put a ribbon on it. This is the left side of the house. Right here on the entrance, I purchased on Amazon this shoe holder table. This is a DIY that I did here on my channel, and I only add a ribbon on it. This is the letter L from Miss Lollipop channel, and I DIY it using the same materials from the Vintage Shabby Chic Decor. This one picture frame I purchased in a thrift shop for only $1, and I just add the writing papers that is from Hobby Lobby. I always keep this plant here. Then I have a small table, is a shabby chic style. It is from my bedroom set, but my bedroom has 3 nightstands, so I only need 2, and I put this one here. The runner is from Temu, is the same one that I have on my ottoman, and this lamp I DIY it using the Shabby Chic Vintage Decor. Look how beautiful with the flowers. The bottom here moves, okay, and the lace is from Temu also. I got this planter. Base planter is a French style, and I got it on sale on Michael's for only $10, and I add the flowers also from Michael's and the ribbon. This stand, let me move this a little bit. I don't know why it's like in the corner. Oh, I can't. Okay, here it is. Okay, this stand, I got it in a thrift shop. I paid like $3 for it, and it was white. It was old, so I put a beige on it and gold, and just have a chair there, so sometimes I can sit down there to watch my YouTube channel and drink my coffee. I also have those wall sconces that I DIY here on my channel. You have to watch that video because I did it using materials from Dollar Tree. The mirror is the leftover in the house and I DIY using mirrors on the corner also from Dollar Tree. If you still here, you are the best of the best. Thanks for watching the video to the end. If you like my new shabby chic decoration, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That helped me so much to support it. Also, you can share so many people can be part of my YouTube channel. Go and watch more videos. I have a lot of DIYs, very easy that you can do. Kisses and hugs. See you in the next one. Bye.